Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 6.73 inches display and Galaxy S22 Ultra has 6.8 inches display. Here is display resolution of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra. Aspect ratio of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra. Pixel density of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra are 521 ppi and 500 ppi. Screen to body ratio of Galaxy S22 Ultra is 90%. Glass type of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra are Gorilla Glass and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Brightness nits of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra are 1500 nits and 1750 nits. OS of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra is Android version 12. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and Galaxy S22 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. CPU processor of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra are 3.2 GHz and 3 GHz. GPU of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra. The back camera of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra can record video up to 8K at 24 fps. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 32 megapixels punch hole camera and Galaxy S22 Ultra has 40 megapixels punch hole camera. The back camera of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra can record video up to 1080p and 4K at 30 fps. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 4860 mAh battery and Galaxy S22 Ultra has 5000 mAh battery. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 67 watt fast charging and Galaxy S22 Ultra has 45 watt fast charging. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones support reverse charging. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones support wireless charging. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones have GPS. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones have in-display fingerprint sensor. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones have face unlock. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has IR blaster but Galaxy S22 Ultra doesn't. Neither the Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones have NFC. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones are water resistant. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra is IP68.